Empezamos and welcome to Nailed Him.
I hope everyone is ready. This is actually going to be a full Spanish video.
Nope.
Yep.
I don't know Spanish.
1, 2, 3. ¿Cómo estamos?
Stop it.
Azul.
Stop. My English friends can't know anything.
Verde. I was just saying colors.
Guys, happy Valentine's Day. And this is our Valentine's set.
And we love you. We love the set. We hope you love it too. I sound like a 70s radio DJ.
But we also love blood and gore. So
This is
we
true.
can't just do boring Valentines.
Exactly. Who do you think you're messing with here? Not just any old chaps from around the neighborhood.
Yeah, you're messing with Nailed Him. We've seen at least 3 out of every 5 horror movies that you could put in front of us.
We've been around all the towns where all the murders happen. I mean, not suspiciously or anything.
Yeah, you just made us look like number 1 suspects. Tell them what you're doing. Give them some tutorial tips.
We are drawing some drops on some nails. Well, just one nail, to be precise. So I just did a nice base coat, and I did the top near the cuticle to get a baseline of where I wanted the drips to come from. Notice I didn't do it from like all the way around his cuticle, just kind of the top part. And then I did little drops focusing on the bottom with little circles. And then I cured that, and then I came back and so after that was cured, I put little brown drops on the bottoms of all of those blood drops so that I could create some little like shading, shadowy effects on the bottom right of all those drops. So now I'm going in with just some red so that brown can kind of blend into it, because that layer before that was all cured and dried. So
now those of you with keen eyes might notice that's not my normal nail color underneath the blood. That's because she put other stuff on my nail, and it freaking hurts. Suckers. Now they know the truth. You tell them.
Well, the first 2 sets, they do get kind of warm. All the particles in the gel, it's called a hard gel, or a builder gel, they go underneath the light and they all go together really, really fast, and they whiz by each other, and they're creating so much friction so that they can harden and become a different material. And because of all that friction, then they get kind of hot. But after you do the first 2 sets, then you have like a nice layer down, so you don't need to.
Yeah, but I'm really manly, so it doesn't hurt me that bad. But it'll probably hurt you guys.
I beg to differ.
But it makes the nails last forever.
It
I go
does.
chop wood, doesn't break. I go rock climbing, doesn't break. Lift weights, doesn't break. Do the dishes. Oh shoot, that's her job. Never mind. Forget that last one.
You're blowing your own cover. So I really liked this as a nail artist, because he was kind of an impossible client, because he rock climbs very aggressively, and when you're just like shoving your fingers into all these rocky surfaces, they're just getting filed down. Like, it's just what's happening. So I was very impressed by how these tend to last on him always.
And now when I go climbing and people see me come off the wall, they think that's my real bloody nail. They think I'm climbing even harder than they are.
And what I was doing was just putting a clear coat on all the blood so the blood would be shiny. Then I went back through with the matte top coat that I have, and we'll link all of these. I really love that matte coat. It's from Wildflowers Nails. It's my absolute favorite. And then with the matte coat, I went on some areas where the gloss fell that I didn't want it to be shiny, so I just fixed that. And then I forgot that I wanted to add some white details, so I did that when we already kind of finished the nail, but it still looks cool anyways. And it held up through all his rock climbing, so that's pretty cool. And now we are starting. Do we have any guesses? You should write in the comments. By this point, pause the video, what you think it is.
How are they going to know the question if they pause the video?
Well, the question is what it is.
Right,
What do you think it is?
You pause the video and then you ask them what it is. You said, pause the video. What is it?
Oh. Well, sorry. I didn't think about it.
Well, for those of you who didn't listen,
it was a reaction.
You're awesome. You got the question. All you suckers who listened missed it.
Well, what if they were just psychics and they know what I was going to ask? How about that one?
I don't know, but it's
How
a
about the
tampon.
knuckles?
That's my guess.
Marble. That's what I'm going to say. That doesn't make any sense. A plate with some lettuce on it. Right? Do you think so? That's a good
No.
one. That's a way good
Who the heck
guess.
has a plate that shape?
It's like a 2D version, you know what I'm saying? You have to show the depth some way.
No.
So it's not like straight down, it's from the side.
No, it doesn't make any sense.
Well, I think it makes
you wouldn't be able to
sense.
see that
I
much
see
of
it.
the.
I have the vision. That's what matters.
I'm the hand model. I'm the professional here.
See, look, lettuce. Salad's on a plate, I'm telling you.
If your lettuce looks like that, you're gonna get sick.
Don't be so exclusive of different types of lettuce, okay?
Spoiler alert, it's eyeball.
Oh man. That was the worst spoiler alert ever. What if someone didn't want to know?
Well, they're probably gonna see the thumbnail and see it on the thumbnail, so
I don't know.
everyone probably knows.
I don't think that's how YouTube works. Excuse me. This is an eyeball. This is the pupil. I wanted to do like a heart pupil, so that's why it looks like a heart.
That's actually her eye. Every time she looks at me, she bases it off that. So her pupil turns into the heart every single time.
This is actually my eye when I look and I see food. Or paints, new paints, or new gel polishes.
Or puppies.
Yeah, I love puppies. That was a good one. Or cheese. Cheese is awesome. I guess that is a food.
I know her well.
See, that's what it all comes back down to is food. Always for me. Always.
Can we eat the puppies?
No, that's not food. That's friends.
Oh.
Yeah, come on. So now we're doing some eyelashes, some top eyelashes, and I did that little kind of flesh-colored lump above the eye so that I could create like a 3D eyelid effect. So I'm just painting over that. And I had a thought about this actually after when we were watching this video before we did the voiceover, that I think because there are two different heights, like I'm painting on the eyelid right now, and then it goes down to the flush of his actual nail, of the builder, of the hard gel. And at the kind of the crease or the connection of the two, where the two different levels meet, the black kind of has a tendency to want to crawl out and follow the line, like the upper line of the eyelid. So my tip to you guys, if you guys do want to recreate this, and I would do this if I recreated this, would be to paint half of the eyelid, like whatever just sticks off of that flesh-colored lump first, so that I have like a little rubric, so that when I paint the full eyelash, then it'll have something to stick to that's not the upper line of the eyelid. If that made any sense.
Totally. If I was going to paint this, it'd probably turn out better than what you just painted.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
Let's see it. Should we do that?
Nope.
Next video?
I'm a hand model. I would not put myself that low to be an artist.
Excuse you.
It's like going from king to a knight.
I think
A
it's
knight's
like
still cool, but king's top
going
dog.
from like a lowly foot soldier to a magician, a wizard.
Wizards are weak.
Nah, they have magic. And like we're talking like in King Arthur times.
All right, I'm King Arthur. He's not a magician. He's strongest.
No,
Boom.
I'm talking about King
Yes.
Arthur.
You're the magician.
No, I'm King Arthur because he goes and he has the magic to find the sword,
Boom, roasted.
to get the sword out of the stone.
He doesn't have the magic. He's the
Well,
chosen one.
He has the magic in him. That's the same thing. It's metaphorical.
No.
Yeah.
You said a magician. Merlin's a magician.
Well, he's not as cool as Arthur, and that's why I was
Or
saying
she.
like King Arthur.
You ever seen Seven Deadly Sins? Merlin's a girl.
I have not seen Seven Deadly Sins.
Watch it. It's on Netflix, and it's dope. And we should do a set of nails of the Seven Deadly Sins.
Okay.
All right, this just took a graphic turn. What the heck is going on?
So, like all humans, I am one of those, and I make mistakes. So I just did a bunch of drops. We're just doing like blood dripping out of the eyeball, and I didn't like it, so I just wiped it all off. So we still had the nice base layer of the blood in the actual eye, and then I just wiped the drips off. So that's why there was some difference there, and I'm just doing the same thing that I did with the other blood drops, is kind of giving them some shadow and some definition. And it's not so perfectly true to life because I'm doing kind of more cartoony clip art, like those type of pop art type of a style of drawing. Not pop art, like comic book. That's what I was looking for.
And we did a full Valentine's set, but we only have 2 of the nails in this video, so we'll be coming out with more. And it's amazing. But if you want to see the full set sooner, go to our Instagram, because it's going to be posted there first. And the Instagram is Nailed Him.
You can see more gore there to satisfy your heart.
Yeah.
That was good. That was good.
And if you want to see more gore, go to Glam and Gore, her favorite YouTuber.
Oh, I love Mikey. And if you think you're watching this video just because you want to watch this video, there's another purpose. I want to hear your guys' Valentine's Day puns because I love puns. And
yeah,
so
leave your puns in the comments.
You got to work for us. That's how this thing goes. We're flipping the tables.
Yep.
So, just like with the black and kind of fading that into a shadow, I was doing that with the white, doing the opposite. So I was doing the little highlights, and since it's like a wet blood, I did a couple of things on the rim too, so that it would look like there's lots of texture and bubbles and stuff there.
If you guys have questions, let us know. Comment down below. We'll do our best to answer them. And
this part, so I did a top coat on all of that eye part, and I'm just going in and doing finishing touches of matte top coat, again from the Wildflowers Nails brand, just in between those lashes so that they will be matte. And I think I believe that I go down under the eye too to fix some details under there.
And it looks so good. Guys, happy Valentine's Day. Even though it's so commercialized, we still love everybody.
And we love it. I love Valentine's Day.
We should have done It Nails.
I love celebrations of loves.
It proposing to Jason.
Next video. Next video. Next
Valentine's Day.
Great minds think alike there. That was good. So yeah, I'm just finishing up with all of that matte in between all the little blood drops. But thank you guys so much for watching. We love that you tuned in, and we hope you had a great Valentine's Day.
And if you do a Valentine's set of nails that you think is cool, and you post them anywhere, tag us. We want to see them. We need inspiration.
I love it. I love seeing all my fellow nail artists and what they can do, especially on different size nails and all sorts of things.
Ciao, ciao.
Goodbye. Sayonara. Ta-ta. Until next time.